10 hidden iPhone features you'll use every day. If you think you already know everything your iPhone can do, think again. Your iPhone is packed with hidden features that Apple barely talks about, and some of them can save you minutes every single day. By the end of this video, you'll know 10 hidden iPhone features that can make your phone smarter, faster, and way more useful. And trust me, number 8 is something I use literally every day. Before we start, comment below and tell me which iPhone model you're watching this on. I'm curious to see how many different ones are out there. And if you enjoy discovering useful tech tips like this, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's jump in. First up is back tap, and once you start using it, it feels like magic. Your iPhone lets you trigger actions just by tapping the back of your phone. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch, and scroll down to back tap. From there, you can set a double tap or triple tap to do things like take a screenshot, open the camera, turn on the flashlight, or even launch shortcuts. Instead of searching for buttons, you can literally just tap the back of your phone. Next is copy and paste with 3 fingers. This gesture is incredibly useful, but hardly anyone knows it exists. If you pinch with 3 fingers on the screen, it copies text. Spread 3 fingers apart and it pastes. Swipe 3 fingers left to undo, and swipe right to redo. Once you learn it, editing text becomes way faster than tapping menus. Feature number 3 is hidden trackpad mode. Typing mistakes happen all the time, but moving the cursor doesn't have to be frustrating. Just press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard, and suddenly the entire keyboard turns into a trackpad. Now you can move the cursor anywhere with precision. It's one of the fastest ways to fix typos. Now, let's talk about live text, which feels almost like science fiction. If you see text in a photo, a screenshot, or even through your camera, your iPhone can recognize it instantly. Just tap and hold the text and you can copy it, translate it, search it, or even call phone numbers directly. Imagine pointing your camera at a Wi-Fi password and copying it instantly. That's how powerful it is. Next is a feature that can save you serious battery life. Go into Settings, then Battery, and enable Low Power Mode. But here's the trick most people miss. You can add it to Control Center. That way you can activate it instantly whenever your battery gets low. It's a tiny change, but it can extend your battery when you really need it. Feature number 6 is Scan Documents with the Notes app. Most people download separate apps to scan documents, but your iPhone already has a built-in scanner. Open the Notes app, create a new note, tap the camera icon, and choose Scan Documents. Your phone automatically detects the paper, straightens it, and saves it as a clean digital document. It's perfect for receipts, paperwork, or school notes. Now here's a feature that makes multitasking way easier. Drag and drop between apps. You can press and hold a photo, file, or piece of text. Then use another finger to switch apps and drop it where you want. For example, drag a photo from Photos directly into a message or email. It feels like using a desktop computer, but on your phone. Feature number 8 is one of my favorites. Text replacement shortcuts. If you type the same phrases over and over, you can create shortcuts for them. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, and tap Text Replacement. You could type something like Om, and your iPhone automatically expands it to On My Way. Or create shortcuts for your email address, phone number, or common replies. Once you start using this, it saves a ton of time. Next up is quickly select multiple photos. Instead of tapping photos one by one, open your Photos app, tap Select, and then drag your finger across multiple images to select them instantly. It makes deleting, sharing, or organizing photos much faster. And finally, the last feature might completely change how you search on your phone. It's called Spotlight Search. Just swipe down on your home screen and start typing. Your iPhone can search apps, contacts, messages, emails, files, and even the internet all in one place. Instead of hunting through screens for an app, just type the first few letters and launch it instantly. It's easily one of the fastest ways to navigate your phone. So those are 10 hidden iPhone features you'll probably start using every day. Now I want to know something. How many of these did you actually know already? Comment the number below. Was it 3, 5, or all 10? And if you discovered at least one new trick today, hit the like button so more people can find this video. Also make sure you subscribe, because I've got more videos coming that reveal hidden tech tricks, apps, and tools most people have no idea exist.